Hello, welcome back. You've accomplished a lot so far. Let's quickly review where we are in the UX design process. First, you learned how to empathize with users, define their needs and problem statements, and develop ideas for design solutions. You then created a wireframe and started the prototype phase. After that, you learned how to conduct research to test your low-fidelity prototype and modified that prototype based on research insights. Even though we've gone through one round of testing, it's important to remember that the design process is iterative. In this course, we'll repeat the prototype and test phases, now focusing on high-fidelity designs. Get ready to take your designs to the next level. By the end of this course, you will be able to create a static, high-fidelity design that is used as a representation of a final product, called a mockup. Refine the design of your mockups by adding emphasis, hierarchy, and scale and proportion. Understand how to use a design system. Participate in a critique session where UX designers ask for feedback on their work from teammates and iterate on designs based on that feedback. Create a high-fidelity prototype. Iterate on your high-fidelity prototype based on feedback from a usability study. And with your final designs in hand, you'll build case studies to showcase your projects in your portfolio. Before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kunal, and I'll be your instructor for this course. As a staff interaction designer on the material design team at Google, I focus on system design and accessible design practices. When I first joined Google, my role concentrated on designing the framework for Google Search and the Discover feature of the Google app on Android. Although my current work revolves around UX design, I actually began my career in architecture. Making the switch from architecture to UX design was a big decision for me. Whether you're in the middle of your own career change or just want to learn something new, I'm excited to help you achieve your goals. So if you're ready, let's get started.